for giving me the opportunity also to weigh in on this matter that is of county importance. Mr. Speaker, first and foremost, I must say I strongly condemn the presence of the GSU officers at the governor's office, which is temporarily domiciled at the stadium. Mr. Speaker, why I'm concerned as an elected member of the County Assembly is because the office of the governor is not an office that is a pushover. And a governor in the county is a symbol of the county unity. And I understand that the governor's security details were withdrawn several weeks ago. So the presence of the GSU officers in his office, they do not only cast aspersions of what is happening, but also if not handled properly, they can degenerate actually into chaos. Because the members of the public, they are aware that their governor has no security from the national government. And when we have the GSU officers who are actually supposed to be utilized in parts of this country where security is a challenge, coming to the governor's residence without any proper explanation, honestly, Mr. Speaker, as leaders, we have to be concerned. Equally, Mr. Speaker, we saw that there was a training session going on at the stadium, the archery center, which is here to train our local youth to have jobs online, where they were, chased away, and we have been told that one student miscarried in the process. This is not a good show. This is not something that we can celebrate about. It is something which is wrong, and as leaders, we have to condemn, Mr. Speaker. As you also know, we have a school that is adjacent to the stadium. Remember, if chaos could have erupted there, the national examinations are going on. We have schools around this county. In Kisii alone, we have more than 5 schools. If the people came there and started chaos, what could have happened to those learners who are sitting the examinations? We could have disrupted the program. So even as we raise concerns over the governor's safety, over the interference from the national government, we also need clarity. If there is anything that the national government is investigating in Kisii County, at individual level or at departmental level, they have agencies that can come in and do their job properly. Finally, Mr. Speaker, I appeal to the national government again that as much as we have the resources in terms of personnel, security personnel, this kind of misuse of uniformed officers should not be acceptable, Mr. Speaker. We have seen Kenyans in Turukana, in Kapedo, people are struggling even to access basic needs because of insecurity, Mr. Speaker. Why bring GSU officers at the stadium where innovations are ongoing, where people are very peaceful, when we have issues to deal with? This national government is failing on its mandate, Mr. Speaker. The same energy they use to blackmail and intimidate politicians, they should use to lower the cost of living that's affecting the many Kenyans that we have. Mr. Speaker, sir,